Hi there. Welcome back to Studio 64. In this episode, we are unboxing and showcasing a 2021 casting from Tomica. The Ferrari Roma, in the metallic blue-gray colorway. This Ferrari Roma was released in August 21st of this year. It carries the Tomica number 17, within the classic Tomica toy line. A bit of trivia, this Ferrari Roma is the 11th vehicle to be assigned the number 17, and the last car that held this number before this Ferrari Roma was assigned to it, was the BMW i8. Unwrapping the plastic cover on these Tomica boxes is quite easy, since it's not heat shrunk to the box. You may have noticed earlier that the scale on this Ferrari Roma is at 1/62. Would have preferred a 1/64, but as you know, the regular Tomica toy line basically falls under the toy category, rather than a hobby diecast. Hence, the scales of these cars vary, as long as it will proportionally fit the standard Tomica box. And we can see here the Ferrari official product hologram sticker. So, as I unbox this car, here are a few info on the Ferrari Roma. First revealed in 2019, this Grand Tourer sports car is powered by a turbocharged 3.9-liter V8 engine that makes 612 horsepower and 561 pounds-to-foot of torque. It has an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, first seen on the Ferrari SF90, or the Stradale. And here it is. Out of the box I can see that this casting is indeed bigger in size. The metallic paint finish looks great, especially on this bluish-gray color. Speaking of color, Tomica also released a metallic red version of this casting. I did prefer getting this color though. Just looks beefier in my opinion. The feel of this casting is your standard Tomica diecast car. Solid, great build quality. Ready for some diecast action. A closer look on the side profile shows us the clear body lines of this Ferrari Roma. You can tell by the light reflection on it. Smooth and flowing. The stance is as expected, higher, with the standard plastic wheels and rims on every regular Tomica car. Ferrari badge tampo pops on this blue-gray color. Moving to the front end, there are an ample of notable features. Most evidently are the headlights. These headlights are painted glossy black with a white strip resembling the daytime running lights. These DRLs are the highlight of this casting's front end. The front grille is a tampo, together with the Ferrari prancing horse badge. However, the spoiler grille is precisely casted, which is part of the metal base. Let's now check out the rear end. The rear end of this casting is, in my opinion, the strongest feature on this casting. It's wide, sleek, and well put together. Starting with the tail lights. Though it isn't a plastic insert, the glossy red paint done on it is clean and precise. You'll appreciate it even at an angle on top. The rear valance is quite detailed with aerodynamic lines. It's also part of the metal base, and since it's painted gray, it complements so well with the blue-gray paint on this variant. This Ferrari Tampo certainly stands out against the body color, as well as the dark tinted plastic windscreen. Base is made of metal, held to the body by rivets. And there you have it. The Ferrari Roma, in the metallic blue-gray variant, number 17, by Tomica. When I first saw this casting online, I was quite intrigued by it. Normally, castings that fall under the toy line category would have its proportions look a bit off. This, apparently, looked really proportioned. Not considering the wheels, of course. And after getting it, my expectations was surpassed. The metallic paint finish is excellent. I'm not much of a fan of metallic finishes on diecasts, because of the proportion of the flakes. However, this is an exception for me. I like how wide the body is, emphasized by the headlights and tail lights. I can see this casting customized by enthusiasts. We'll surely look out for that. What do you guys think? Feel free to leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. Do consider subscribing to this channel, Give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell icon for future Studio 64 episodes.